Most students in India are preparing for exam so that they can get admission to PhD. What about if I tell you about one such call which is open now, where you get fully funded PhD for 5 years duration without writing a single entrance test? I'm speaking about DST INSPIRE Fellowship, the call for which is open now countrywide, and today's video is about that. By the end of today's video, you will know exactly what this fellowship is, what is its eligibility, how much per month you will get, and the exact application process. Without further ado, let's begin. Before I proceed with today's video, I just need to make one clarification. Here on the website, it is said DST INSPIRE call 2025. It's actually a 2026 call because it is floated in 2026. This particular call goes live every year. However, in 2025, that is last year, there was no call from DST INSPIRE for PhD fellowship. So what they have done is they have floated the call now. I'm not sure whether they are going to float another call by the end of this year. I'm telling you this so that any confusion can be avoided. DST INSPIRE call 2025 is the call where you have to apply now. It is open now and the deadline is 23rd May 2026. As far as the eligibility of this particular fellowship is concerned, you should be a first rank holder. Now, it can be in any institute or a university. This excludes autonomous colleges. So, if your college was autonomous, then you are not eligible for this. The discipline for these are basic or applied sciences, engineering, pharmacy and agricultural science, medicine and veterinary science. So, basically, as long as you are in the science subjects, you are eligible for DST INSPIRE. If you are not a first rank holder now, then previously you should have been an INSPIRE scholar, because INSPIRE scholarships are not just for PhD. The one that I'm explaining today is for PhD, but they have SHE scholarship, which is before your graduation and stuff like that. If at any point of the time in your academic career you have been an INSPIRE scholar at any level, then you are eligible for this, even if you have not got first rank now for your masters or bachelors. As far as the stipend is concerned, you will get 37,000 per month for the duration of 2 years, where you will be a JRF, and after that your remuneration will increase to 42,000 per month for next 3 years. So total 5 years ka duration. Apart from that, you will get an annual contingency of 20,000 rupees per year. Another good part about this particular scholarship is that you need not be enrolled in PhD. If you are about to take admission for PhD, then also you can apply for this. The reason I'm stating this is most of the fellowship, especially those for PhD, you can apply for it only after giving a proof that you have joined an institute. Whereas this particular fellowship, even you have not applied, you are in the process of applying or you will get in some time, then also you can apply. And then the activation of that fellowship will start from the date of admission for your PhD. For past 2 days, I'm trying to register on the portal so that I can show you the entire process for application, right from research proposal, everything else. However, I'm getting this error. I'm just not able to register. I tried from different devices. I tried from different IP addresses. ये हो ही नहीं रहा है. If anyone else is encountering the same issue, let me know. Or is it just me that I'm not able to register? It really saddens me when a fellowship call is open and I'm not able to show you the process just because of this stupid error, and I'm really sorry about that. The difference between selected and rejected candidates is not intelligence, it is clarity. The deadline is May 23rd. It is fast approaching. Do not miss the chance. You will need a research proposal. I have done this video which will tell you the exact process. It is a step-by-step guide. Even if you have never written research proposal, you are going to get help. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.